Are you suffering from a burning, sharp pain in your stomach, constant, terrible heartburn, or that gnawing ache that hits you right after you eat? If you feel like your insides are constantly on fire, you are experiencing a serious, hidden problem. Many people accept this pain and immediately reach for antacid pills. But those pills are only masking the problem and often making the real damage underneath. Much worse over time. Imagine a simple, everyday vegetable you can find at any grocery store that holds a powerful secret to turning off this stomach fire and completely healing the damage. This healing is not just about discomfort. That constant burning pain is a sign of stomach ulcers and serious damage to the sensitive lining of your gut. You've been told that prescription medications are the only answer, but there is an affordable, natural cure that has been backed by science for decades, yet it remains hidden. This kitchen secret is so effective at healing the stomach lining that it's been called nature's high-powered cement for the digestive tract. We are talking about a specific, simple vegetable juice that contains the most vital compound needed for internal repair. This compound is scientifically proven to strengthen the wall of your stomach, helping to patch up those painful ulcers and stop acid from causing damage. Studies confirm that regularly drinking this specific juice can heal painful stomach ulcers faster and more safely than many commonly used drugs. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to finally ending acid reflux, stopping gut pain, and restoring comfortable, healthy digestion forever. We'll reveal the exact simple preparation method, the one key nutrient you need, and the dosage that provides the fastest pain relief and internal healing. If you ignore this chronic stomach pain, you risk severe bleeding, dangerous nutritional deficiencies, and accelerating the aging of your digestive system. Don't skip the section where we show you the best way to drink this juice to make sure you protect your teeth and stomach from any irritation. Stay with us because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this powerful, cheap secret to rebuild your digestive health starting today. The simple vegetable we are talking about, the one with this incredible healing power, is common cabbage. Yes, the same cabbage used in salads and coleslaw. The healing power comes from a special nutrient found abundantly in fresh cabbage juice, a molecule originally nicknamed vitamin U by researchers. Vitamin U is actually a complex of beneficial compounds, including S-methylmethionine, which is rich in sulfur and acts as a powerful protector for your entire digestive lining. Cabbage juice is famous because it contains natural precursors to L-Glutamine, the most important amino acid for healing the cells of your gut lining. L-Glutamine is the primary fuel source for the cells that make up your intestinal walls. When your gut is stressed, these cells starve and holes begin to form, leading to leaky gut and ulcers. By drinking the fresh juice, you flood your damaged stomach and intestinal lining with the exact building blocks it needs for immediate repair and regrowth. This is critical because ulcers are essentially painful holes or raw, inflamed patches in the stomach or upper intestinal lining. Healing them requires constant, specific cellular fuel. Cabbage juice provides that fuel, acting like high-powered cement, actively strengthening the lining and allowing the raw, inflamed tissue to regenerate quickly. Historically, This remedy was used decades ago by doctors who noticed its remarkable effectiveness in treating peptic ulcers before modern drug treatments became common. One famous study showed that patients drinking cabbage juice required significantly less time to heal their stomach ulcers compared to those using standard conventional treatments. The healing process is simple. The nutrients coat the lining, reduce inflammation, and provide the raw L-Glutamine-like material for quick cellular repair. But you cannot just eat boiled cabbage. The healing compounds are highly sensitive to heat. To get the therapeutic effect, you must consume the juice fresh and raw. This requires a juicer. Take fresh green cabbage leaves, wash them well, and run them through a slow juicer to extract the potent, raw juice. The correct starting therapeutic dosage is small. Begin with about 1/4 cup to ounces of fresh, raw cabbage juice mixed with 1/2 cup of water. You should drink this amount 3 to 4 times a day, always 20 minutes before a meal and before bed, to maximize its contact with the damaged tissue. Why before a meal? Because drinking the juice then allows the L-Glutamine precursors to coat the stomach lining and begin the repair process before the acid hits the meal. It's essential to drink this juice immediately after juicing to preserve the volatile, healing compounds. Do not store it. Make it fresh every time. If you are worried about the taste, you can mix the cabbage juice with a small amount of carrot juice or apple juice to make it more palatable. This raw juice is also a phenomenal natural treatment for persistent acid reflux and painful heartburn. It seems counterintuitive to drink juice for reflux, but the healing compounds reduce the inflammation and strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter. Less valve. When the less valve is strong and the surrounding tissue is healthy, it can close properly, stopping stomach acid from splashing up into the esophagus and ending the heartburn. This provides a long-term cure by fixing the physical damage, unlike antacids, which only reduce the acid but leave the underlying valve damage in place. Now, let's quickly look at the benefits for your entire gut. Addressing issues like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and chronic bloating. Cabbage juice is rich in natural probiotics and is a great source of specific fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria deep in your colon. By feeding the good bacteria, you improve the balance of your gut microbiome, which reduces gas, inflammation, and the symptoms often associated with IBS. This detoxifying effect is also seen in its ability to clear the liver. The sulfur compounds help the liver process toxins and eliminate waste more efficiently. This entire process of healing and detoxing the gut has a massive positive impact on your mood and energy levels. Remember, most of your happiness hormone, serotonin, is made in your gut. A healthy gut leads to a calm, clear, and happy mind. By repairing the leaky gut and nourishing your beneficial bacteria, you are creating the best possible environment for stable mood and sustained energy. But you must be aware of the 2 crucial warnings for safe consumption. First, never drink the cabbage juice straight, undiluted. It is potent, and the high concentration can cause digestive upset and should always be mixed with water or a mild juice. Second, and most important for dental health, the juice is acidic. Always drink it quickly, through a straw if possible, and rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water afterward. Failing to rinse can leave acid remnants on your teeth, leading to enamel erosion over time. Protect your teeth while you heal your gut. For maximum healing, commit to drinking the Cabbage Juice regimen for at least 2 for weeks. The initial relief from pain can be fast, but the complete cellular repair takes time. This simple vegetable, often overlooked, holds one of the most powerful and affordable secrets for reversing painful stomach damage and restoring complete digestive comfort. This is the ultimate secret to fixing your gut, conquering chronic pain, and ensuring a lifetime of comfortable eating. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge, dosage, and methods to safely leverage this incredible kitchen cure. This single change can free you from the dependency on antacids and heal your digestive system at its source. Now, tell us in the comments below, will you buy a head of cabbage today and start this fresh juicing ritual to heal your stomach pain? We value your commitment to natural healing. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone suffering from agonizing heartburn or stomach ulcers, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them immediate relief and long-term health. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising fruits that are secretly accelerating inflammation and joint pain. Thank you for trusting natural health secrets. Heal your gut and live without the burn. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.